Hello, Jose.
Hello. Hi, Miriam.
Fine. How are you?
Good.
Thank you for your time. Today we are in your factory, and we want to know about your opinion about our machines. You already bought two HARSLE press brakes. What do you think?
The machines are very beautiful and work very beautiful. I had it for near 3 years and it's working perfect.
Okay.
After that, I bought another one.
Okay, this one.
This is working for about 2 years.
2 years.
Uh-huh.
How many tons is it?
This is 125.
How many inches?
10 feet.
10 feet. Yeah,
10 feet.
What about this?
It's the same,
Same.
like that.
Oh, okay. So this is the Delen 66 touch, 6 plus 1 axis, both.
Both.
Perfect. This is also the extra tool.
Yes.
So we are so happy that you are happy with us,
Yeah.
and we hope that we will continue our cooperation
Yeah, all the time.
future. Thank you for your
I appreciate your service.
Thank you.
Thank you.
HARSLE. Save time, money.